Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for expert beauty reviews. Today we're diving into a striking, bold statement piece, the 30-inch 99J Burgundy Lace Front Wig, made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian human hair. If you've been searching for a high-density, full-bodied wig that delivers both volume and versatility, this one promises a lot. But does it actually live up to the claims? Let's find out. This wig boasts 200% density, meaning it's designed to be thick from root to tip. It features a 13x6 HD transparent lace frontal, which means more parting space and a more natural hairline. The 99J Burgundy wine red shade is a deep, rich red, not too bright, not too dark, striking a balance that can work for both everyday wear and special occasions. The cap is adjustable with 4 built-in combs for added security, and it's advertised as glueless for easy wear. Plus, it's heat-resistant, so you can curl, straighten, and style as you like. Now let's talk about real-world performance. Out of the box, the hair feels incredibly soft and full, with no noticeable shedding. The body wave pattern holds up well, giving the wig a naturally voluminous look. The lace is thin and breathable, blending fairly well into the skin, though depending on your skin tone, you may need to use a little foundation or lace tint for a seamless melt. The pre-plucked hairline is decent, though some may prefer additional customization for an even more natural effect. As for styling, the wig takes heat well, retaining its luster after curling or straightening. The cap size fits most average heads, but if you have a particularly small or large head, you might need additional adjustments. Is this review helpful so far? If it is, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that more wig lovers can find this review. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: thick and full from top to bottom, no thin, scraggly ends. Soft, tangle-free, and minimal shedding, important for longevity. Lace is high quality and transparent, offering a good blend with skin. Versatile styling options can be curled, straightened, and dyed. Adjustable cap with secure combs, making it beginner-friendly. Cons: the hairline could use more customization for a truly natural look. Lace is slightly detectable without tinting or extra blending. While 200% density is great for fullness, it may feel heavier for some wearers. Now let's talk value. Compared to other high-density human hair wigs in this category, the price seems reasonable for the quality. Wigs with similar density and lace quality from premium brands tend to cost more, so if you're looking for a thick, long, and versatile lace front at a mid-range price, this is a solid contender. For comparisons, if you want something lighter and more breathable, a 150–180% density wig might be better. If you're after a more beginner-friendly lace option, some brands offer pre-bleached, pre-plucked HD lace wigs that require less customization. As for build quality, the hair feels strong and the ends are healthy with no split ends, which is a good sign for longevity. With proper care, using sulfate-free shampoo, deep conditioning, and a wide-tooth comb, this wig should last a long time without excessive shedding or tangling. Final verdict? If you love full, voluminous hair and don't mind a little customization to perfect the hairline, this 99J Burgundy Lace Front Wig is a great option. It delivers on thickness, softness, and versatility, making it ideal for those who love bold, high-impact hair. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in grabbing this wig, the link is in the comments. Let me know, have you tried a 99J Burgundy wig before? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay bold, beautiful, and beautyistic.